Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make content calendar for social media on Google Sheets. It's quite easy. Firstly, we need to open the document. Like this is the empty document where we're gonna create the content calendar. So firstly, just because there are 7 days in a week, we're gonna select 7 column here. So just select like this till the G we need to select, and just here you'll see this option which is for merge sales. So click on that. Once the sales are merged, here you just need to type the name of the month. So it would be July in my case. Okay, and in bracket you can just type the year. So it is 2025. Now we should align it to the center. So for that, just click on this drop down and align it to the center. Once you align that, here we're gonna enter the names of the week, or you can say days of the week. So here we're gonna type firstly Sunday, next would be Monday, next we're gonna enter the dates of the month. So it would be starting from this day. So just type 1 2, then just select these dates like this, and then you will see this plus icon. So just hold your left click and just drag this till Saturday, and yeah, we got the dates till 5. By following the same process, we're gonna enter all of the dates, but here you need to make sure that you need to leave one row as it is. So this is the row which we're gonna leave as it is. So just underneath of that row we're gonna enter the dates onwards. So it would be 6, then 7. Select the cells like this. Once you get the plus icon, just drag this till the Saturday. Again hit 13 number, 14. Select the cells and just drag this till Saturday. Since there are 31 days in July month, we're gonna drag this till Thursday so that we can get 31. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna select these empty rows by holding the control key so that we can select them easily. Once you select them, here you have this option to create the space like this. You can create the empty space of any size you like, but yeah, it is looking good. To differentiate the dates, we can give the color to these dates. So for that, again select these rows where we have put at the dates. Just like this, we're gonna select all of these dates, then just go to this option here and just choose any color you like. I'll just proceed with this one. Okay, you can see that it is looking good. To get more clarity on the calendar, we're gonna use one trick. So for that, just select the H column, then hold Control Shift and your right arrow to select all of these remaining columns. Then hit right click and you will see the option delete columns from H to Z, and yeah, the columns are gone. Now we similarly gonna follow the same process here. So we wanna delete rows from 13. So we're gonna select the 13th row, hit Control Shift plus down arrow, hit right click, select the option delete rows from 13 to 1000, and yep, you can see that we have more clarity now. In order to make this calendar more appealing, for that you can do some changes. Like what I would love to do, I'll just select this row here, then I would love to put yellow color here so that we'll able to see days clearly. Then here you can just make this text a bit bold. Similarly, we're gonna do that with the month. Okay, it is looking good. Now let's say I want to type here, my content is how to shoot YouTube video. Okay, you can see that the text is going to the another date, and we don't want that. In order to solve this issue, for that you just need to select all of your calendar just like this, then go to format. Here you'll see the option wrapping. Underneath we have the option wrap, and yeah, you can see that the issue is solved, and at this point you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.